Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Flourgon run things. Dancehall artist Flourgon has settled his US $300 million, that's 40 billion Jamaican dollar copyright infringement lawsuit against US pop star Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus's decision to settle the landmark case has been hailed as a massive win for Jamaican artists and lyricists. Though the sum of the settlement has not been disclosed, Flourgon's legal team acknowledged that the judge in an early hearing had reduced expectations of a US $300 million payout. In the lawsuit filed in March of 2018, Flourgon argued that Miley Cyrus used a key line from his 1988 hit song We Run Things for her 2013 hit We Can't Stop. Now, in Flourgon's version of the song, he said, while in Miley Cyrus's version, she said, We Can't Stop, the lead single off Miley Cyrus's Bangers album, was released by RCA in 2013 when it hit number 2 on Billboard's Hot 100 chart. The tour for Miley Cyrus's 2013 Bangers album, on which We Can't Stop is featured, amassed $63 million. Flourgon is slated to perform at the 2020 staging of Rebel Salute. Reggae artist Skip Marley and Grammy-winning R&B singer Her have premiered the visuals for their track Slow Down in Times Square courtesy of BET Networks. In addition to Slow Down, Marley has released a number of singles this past year, including his solo track Enemy. Now to news overseas, where the Golden Globes were for Quentin Tarantino. Award-winning director Quentin Tarantino won big at the 77th Golden Globe Awards held last night in California. Tarantino's film Once Upon a Time in Hollywood took 3 awards, the most of the night, winning Best Screenplay Motion Picture, Best Motion Picture Musical or Comedy, and saw actor Brad Pitt taking home the award for Best Performance by an Actor in a Supporting Role. Sam Mendes' World War I movie 1917 took home some of the night's fanciest awards, including Best Motion Picture, Drama, and Best Director. Best Performance by an Actress in a Motion Picture Drama went to Renee Zellweger for her role in the movie Judy, while Joaquin Phoenix won the Best Performance by an Actor in a Motion Picture Drama for his role in The Joker. Joker also picked up the Best Score award. Singer Elton John received a Golden Globe Award for the Best Original Song for the track I'm Gonna Love Me Again, featured in the film Rocketman. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.